How's it going? We'll be going over the audio tag, the video tag, and some text formatting. So, here we go. This is tags 2. So, the first one we'll be going over, okay, is our audio tag, which is this right here. We have 2 of them. As you can see, it's a short one. It's a tool drop, the noise of it. And the second one is water dripping. Okay. So, there we go. What we do is, we make an audio tag, okay? And we'll use controls attribute. And the source is equal to our file, which is in the audio. And that's tool drop right here. So it would be a dot / audio, which is the folder, / drop tool, which is the sound effect. Okay. And then we use the title, so if someone hovers over it, they know what it is. And then we have the closing tag, audio closing tag. Okay. So, see the little drop name, drop tool noise? And then this one don't have the title attribute, so you know how we got this nice little setup right here? This is all because of this one attribute right here, which is controls. Okay? Let's take that out. Let's block that out. Oh, that didn't work like that. Comment that out. So let's check it out completely. Okay? Now we got it no more. Okay? You know how it disappeared? Not there no more. See how it's gone? There are no more controls. So, if there is no autoplay, it won't play because there's no controls. Every time we save it, like going to the page, it will tag with the autoplay method. Okay, so we'll go back. We'll add controls back in there. See the controls pop back up again? Very useful. Okay, and then the second one. Okay, reason this has also the closing tag right here on it is because if there's 2 of them, if it don't have the closing tag, only one will be shown on the web page. Okay, that's why they both have the closing tag for audio. Okay, now for this one, what we do is we're calling the drip. Okay, so if the drip don't work, we have a second source. Say on a certain browser, the drip MP3 don't work. The second source, we would have like a laser sound in a different file type, so it does work, but of the same noise, using a backup. And then if all else fails, we can put audio tag. Okay, and what would happen if it didn't support it, if all else fails, it would show this, letting them know. Okay, and once again, we do have the controls, so it does show it. Okay, so that's our audio tag, and it points to our file of the sound, of course. Now on to our video tags. Okay, now you notice in the first video, you have to press play for it to play. and they're both muted. Okay. Even if I press play, they're still muted. And also, this second video plays. Every time you go to the page, this video will play. Okay, so back to the first video here. We'll use the video tag, and it supports MP4, WebM, and OGG videos. Okay, we're using a source method attribute, sorry, and that will equal to our video file. Okay, once again, controls gives us the controls. Okay, we'll see what it looks like when it's not there, the first video. Okay, now it has no controls, so they can't play or control it. Okay, and it's muted. So we'll put the controls back. It'll give us controls. Okay, now it can play whenever we hit it or stop it. And then the mute, it's muted so we don't have a bunch of sounds when you go to the page. Okay, so now without the mute attribute, every time it plays you will hear it. See how you can hear it, but you can't hear the second video playing because it's still muted. Okay, so we'll change that back. And autoplay. Okay. The bottom one's auto playing, but we're not. Let's unmute the bottom. There is no mute. There is no audio for the bottom video. And then we'll put autoplay on the top video and take the mute out also. So now when we go to the page, you can hear it, and it automatically plays, and it will stop after it plays. See that? Pretty cool. Okay, so there's a lot of cool attributes you can use, like controls, autoplay, mute, and stuff like that. Title. Okay, let's give a title on there. Title of video. Okay, so now let's hover. See, title of video, and the bottom one doesn't have it, so it's not going to display it. Alright, let's shut that one up. But yeah, it's playing again. That's because it's not muted. Here we go, now it's muted. Now on to a couple of things with text formatting. Okay, this is normal text. It should be bold text, italic, small, subscript, superscript, inserted, deleted, marked, /highlighted. This is how we do it. For a bold tag, we would use a B, open and close tag, to make it bold. For italic, we would use I. For small, we would use small tag, open and close. For subscript, we would use sub. For superscript, we would use sup. For inserted, we would use ins. The text goes in the middle always. Open and closing brackets. Okay. Represent a removal from a document. The deleted tag will give us a line through it like it's been deleted. That'll be using a del tag. And then the mark tag, which will make it look marked or highlighted, which is basically the same thing. And that's right here. Thank you once again for taking a quick look. Hope you learned something new. Thank you.